TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very pleasant Delray Beach, Florida. This year 11 a.m. update, and we have a sea of red out there. All the U.S. indices that we track are trading to the downside. Not all sectors inside the S&P. The utilities sector is basically flat, and the XLP is up 88 cents. Dow's down 1,575 points, 3 7/10%, 4 3/10 for the S&P, or 245 points. NASDAQ down 956, almost 5%. Russell 6.5%, 134 points there. Semi or transports down 1,111. You've got the semis down 324 points. That's a 7.5% move there. Gold is off $13, well off its session lows. Silver, though, is down $2.15. That's a 6% move to the downside. $5.60 move to the downside for light sweet crude. It's off nearly 8%. Let's try to figure out what all that means by looking at my 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini. The ES Mini, come on, move over, is if it closes below the 55, 59, 75 level, it'll trigger an A to B equals CD pattern to the downside. Initial price projection is 51.72. What's not shown on this chart is a Rhodes momentum indicator signal that's present, and therefore a bullish reversal candle would confirm a bottom. Spot VIX index is up by 25+% or so. Let's see what it is at the end of the day. We're in a major contango situation out there. This move that we're looking at is not long-term. This is a short-term move. I know everybody's on the train, on the wagon of this is a gigantic bear market for the rest of our lives. The charts don't say that. That's what we'll take a look at during the Trader's Edge show. Now, in the case of the NQ, a close below 18,976.75 will negate its Rhodes momentum indicator bottom pattern, triggers an A to B equals CD pattern to the downside, but it still would, a bullish reversal candle would also confirm another bottom pattern, another Rhodes momentum indicator bottom. U.S. dollar index, yesterday we talked about a little bit about tariffs. I gave you my thoughts on tariffs, why we don't talk about them for the most part, because nobody goes ahead and puts into affect the currency changes that take place out there. We're in floating currencies across the globe out there. It just got way cheaper for people in Europe to buy products in the United States, at least with today's move down in the U.S. dollar index. Gold pulled back, tested and rejected support. That 30.92.80 level is a key level of support for gold. Hey, folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. We'll get through most of this stuff here. But if you have to start your Thursday, have a terrific day, and we'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care.